Let's see how to remove a Ring camera from the Ring app. Here I have this indoor camera, so I just need to come here and select the one that I want to remove. Go to settings, from here device settings, and then all the way down general settings. Here you have the option to remove device, so you just need to click here and confirm. Okay, so basically you just need to make sure that you're going to remove this camera because it's going to delete all of its data, including events, videos, everything else. All right, so just confirm here, remove device, and you're good to go. The device is no longer here. Now you can also reset the device, right? Because if you are going to sell the camera or something like this, you can reset the camera. So to reset it, you just need to press and hold the button here on the top for 10 seconds. So let me just press here and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I let it go. Okay, you see the LED was flashing here. And now the camera is going to reboot and you can hear a sound here on the speaker. That means the camera is ready for the setup and you're good to go. So you can sell your camera now and somebody else can just set it up, all right? There we go. Just hear the sound and the camera is ready for the new setup. It works with any Ring camera. I'm talking here about the indoor Ring camera, but it works also with the Ring Doorbell. Hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can delete a Ring camera from the Ring app. Leave your comments, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up. See you in the next one.